Hello kids, I hope you all are fine. In the previous video we have completed the textbook chapter 7 and in this video we are going to cover the workbook section. And as you all know what we do, we revise the chapter by doing the workbook, and likewise I will solve certain sum with you and the rest of the part you have to complete by your own. And the solution will be provided to you in 2-3 days. Okay, so shall we start with the workbook? Now first of all we will revise the chapter. What we saw in the chapter, do you remember? I hope you remember. Okay, so we saw closed curves and open curves, and in closed curves there were simple closed curves, and in the simple closed curves we saw line and curve segments only, and then we saw line segments only, and we saw curved line segments only. Now let's see the examples. Line segment और सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व्स जो जिसमें खाली लाइन यूज करते हैं वो सारे पॉलीगॉन्स होते हैं. नाउ ट्राइंगल, क्वाड्रिलैटरल, हेक्सागन, ऑक्टागन एंड पेंटागन. Okay, circle is not a polygon, whereas square and rectangle are quadrilaterals because quadrilateral के 4 sides होते हैं. Fine. Now we will see example of curved line segments, wherein only curved lines are used to make a closed figure, closed simple figure. Fine. Non-simple are the figures which overlap each other, and open figures are the figures which have 2 different ends. And let's see example of curve and line segments only. Curve भी यूज किया जाता है और line भी यूज किया जाता है. These are certain examples of the curve and line segments only. Fine. Then we saw that polygons are of different types and they are having the name depending on the number of the sides they have. Triangle will have 3 sides, hexagon will have 6 sides, octagon 8, pentagon 5, quadrilateral 4. And we studied in detail triangle and quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral we saw rectangle and we named it as A, B, C and D rectangle. And we saw square. Sorry, first of all we will see the property of rectangle, and I am marking AB is equal to DC. So the markings will be same because opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. ठीक है, so ये opposite side है AB and DC. BC and AD are opposite side, so they are equal. So I will mark it with the same marking. And then we saw a square. Let's name it PQRS, and this is known as a square PQRS. All the capital letters. Fine. P, Q, R and S are the vertex. Vertex means corner. Vertex P, vertex Q, vertex R, vertex S are the corners of square. And what is the property of square? All sides are equal. So I will have marking which is equal in all sides. Fine. Now this basic will help you in solving worksheet number 4, that is the B part, wherein it's you have to rectify the error. ठीक है, it's written quadrilateral has how many, maybe 3 sides and 4 angles and 5 corners. Okay, so the right answer is, I'm telling you the right answer. What will be the right answer for the quadrilateral? How many sides it has? See, quadrilateral है ना, 1 2 3 4 sides and 1 2 3 4 corners and 4 angles also. See, quadrilateral will have 4 sides, 4 vertex and 4 vertices and 4 angle. Vertex is a singular name, vertices means plural. Fine. And 4 angles. Now I have taught you sides and vertices or vertex, but what are angles? Let's see. When you join 2 ray, this is ray OB and ray OA, यहाँ पे डॉट है और यहाँ पे एरो है, तो ये रे कहा जाएगा. When you join 2 ray, you form a angle. O is the AOB is the angle. See this color part, pink wala. This is the angle. So here I can say angle angle P is there, PQR, this is the angle QRS, this is the angle RSP, this one is the angle, and angle QPS, this one is the angle. So there are 4 angles. Fine. Now moving on to the next topic which we saw, that is segments, ray and line. So segment में क्या होता है, it's having n points, so it will have a definite measurement, and ray is having one end point and it is extending right side. Okay, and ray is a part of a segment, and we have a line which will extend in both the direction, and line will not have definite length because it is extending in both direction. This we saw. And then we saw types of triangles, that is equilateral triangle wherein all the 3 sides are equal, scalene isosceles triangle wherein 2 sides are equal, and scalene triangle wherein no sides of the triangle are equal. So depending upon the sides, they are classified as equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. ठीक है, this explanation will help you to solve worksheet that triangles are having 3 sides and 3 vertices but 4 angles, something like that. Some error is there. So triangle will have 3 sides. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Okay, so you have to rectify the error. Now moving on to the next topic which we covered is circle. सर्कल में हमने देखा कि सर्कमफ्रेंस किसे कहते हैं, डायमीटर किसे कहते हैं और रेडियस किसे कहते हैं. And we have the center here. Circumference is the boundary, diameter is the line which passes from one point to another point on circumference, and it passes through the center. Fine. And radius joins the center with the circumference. That's the definition. And we also saw the relation between the radius and diameter. What's the relation, kids? Yes, you are very correct. We can say that radius plus radius gives you diameter, or diameter is equal to 2 times radius, or you can say radius is half of the diameter. Yes. So you can find out diameter also and radius also by the formula. Fine. So this information will help you to solve. See, I am writing the formula. Radius is half of the diameter, or diameter divided by 2, and diameter is double the radius. So that is 2 times the radius. This formula will help you to solve your worksheet number 3, wherein you have a diameter and a diagram is given to you. And in that the diameter is 30 centimeter, so the radius is 15 centimeter, the half of it. It's a filling the blanks type, so you don't have to write the formula, you have to just write the answer. Fine. Now the other is worksheet number 4, wherein you have rectification of error, the D part. Therein it is said that the center to the edge का मेजरमेंट क्या है, 3 meters फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द एज. मतलब ये है सेंटर सर्कल का और ये है एज. एज मतलब सर्कमफ्रेंस और द बाउंड्री और द एंडिंग पॉइंट. सो फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द एज the length is 3 meters. So I will say the radius is 3 meters. Yes, because radius starts from the center to the edge, so it's 3 meter. If radius is 3 meter, the diameter will be twice the radius, that is 2 multiplied by 3, and it will be 6 meters. You have to write this measuring unit meters and centimeter. Don't forget to add the units. Fine. Now other thing we saw is symmetry, wherein we can divide any figure in such a way that 2 parts are exactly the same, and these are line of symmetry, as you can see. Okay, and we saw mirror reflection. यहाँ पे C के ऊपर नहीं है, C के बाजू में है. This is the mirror reflection of certain letters. Then we saw tessellation. Tessellation means repeating of a pattern which is fixing in each other. There is no overlap and there is no gap. Fine. Now let's see the example of tessellation. Which is the example of tessellation? This is the example or this one is the example? Yes, you are very correct. The left hand side wala figure is example of tessellation, whereas the right hand side is having a gap between. So this is not the example of tessellation. And with this, kids, we come to the end of the workbook section, chapter 7. I hope this was a very interesting and a small topic, kids. I hope it's clear to you.